technology is the reality of dream. On behalf of TSB family, I welcome you all in our Accessible Resource YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to introduce another best application for reading PDF, getting accurate summarization, and image recognition. Okay friends, if you have not yet joined in our Telegram channel Accessible Resource and in our WhatsApp community, please join. Our WhatsApp community is divided into two categories, one for the girls and another for the boys. The link of our WhatsApp community and Telegram channel will be found in the About section of our YouTube channel. So friends, without wasting our time, let's get started our video. For this video, I am going to open Viz AI. The application is available on our Telegram channel.
Reasons. 1. Movie Home. 2. Viz AI. How may I help you today?
Yes friends, after opening the application, the first option which will appear on your screen is How may I help you today? So let's explore for the rest options. I am swiping from left to right.
Chat with PDF.
Chat with PDF. I am clicking here.
Recent.
Okay friends, after clicking on chat with PDF, it has directly taken us into the gallery. Here I have to choose at least one PDF for getting the exact and appropriate summarization. So I am choosing a PDF.
To the research history. 4 DOC to go to. Chat with PDF unavailable.
Yes, I have chosen a PDF and we have to wait for the ultimate summary about the document generated by Viz AI. So friends, if you are new on this channel, please subscribe our YouTube channel Accessible Resource and set the notification to all for getting latest update of our unique videos notifications. Friends, we are uploading the second tutorial in English. Thanks to all of you for giving us kind of support, encouragement and enthusiasm. So let's explore the summary.
Students are required to answer 2 out of 4 questions related to the influences discussed in this module. The course covers significant themes such as coming of age, the relationship between canonical and popular literature, ethics and education in children's literature, and the exploration of sense and nonsense, particularly in graphic novels. Additionally, it emphasizes the importance of proper citation practices, including quoting, paraphrasing, and avoiding plagiarism, as well as the use of reference management software. Message text box message.
Yes friends, there are a lot of things yet to be read. I am not reading all that, otherwise video will be long. I am swiping from left to right and the focus shifts on to the message text box message. I am clicking on that. Here I will send a command from my clipboard history for checking what kind of response Viz AI generate for us.
Sticker. Functions menu. 4 up, 5 paste, 6 clipboard message text clipboard history. 2 what are the books? 1 discuss the main. New notification from system you copied to clipboard. Message text showing recently capital T. Report content. Discuss the main theme of this document text box. Editing send. Report content. Discuss the main send. Discuss the main theme of this document deleted.
Yes friends, I have sent the command discuss the main thing of this document. Let's see what kind of response it's generate. Friends, if you like this video, please share and comment. If you have any queries, please inform us in the comment section. We will reply you immediately. We have to wait until the Viz AI generate a perfect response for us. Okay, let's explore.
Report content. Button. Image button. The main theme of the document centers on the exploration of 18th century literature, particularly focusing on the significant cultural and intellectual movements of the time, such as the Enlightenment and Neoclassicism. It highlights the era as a pivotal moment for prose and reason, emphasizing the rise of sensibility and the development of the periodical press and the novel as a prominent literary genre. The document outlines a structured approach to literary study through various modules. Back.
How beautifully it has generated the perfect response as stated by the command. Okay friends, in this way you just upload any PDF and tap on message text box send command related to your documents and VJI will generate perfect answer for you. I am going to back again.
Back.
I am swiping from left to right.
Home. How may I help? Chat with PDF.
Chat with PDF already I have discussed.
Chat with AI.
Chat with AI. I will discuss about it in another video.
Ask image.
Ask image. Right now I am going to discuss about it.
With AI.
I have clicked on ask image and now I am swiping from left to right.
Dismiss.
Dismiss.
Gallery.
Gallery.
Camera.
Camera.
Dismiss. Camera.
So I am going to choose image from gallery.
Gallery.
I am clicking on that and here I am going to choose a image.
Photo taken on the 30th of January 2025, 11 hours 23 minutes in with AI.
I have already chosen. So let's wait and see what kind of response VJI generate for us, what kind of description VJI provide for us. Till then we have to wait. Friends, we will upload English tutorial on this channel in regular intervals. So stay connected with us throughout the video. I hope we will able to learn many new things.
The image depicts a classroom setting where a group of students is engaged in a discussion or presentation. The focal point is a woman standing at the front, presumably addressing the audience, while seated individuals listen attentively. The classroom is equipped with wooden desks arranged in rows, indicating a formal educational environment. In the background, a blackboard is visible, suggesting that this is a space for learning and instruction. The presence of ceiling fans indicates that the room is designed for comfort, likely in a warm climate. The students, primarily dressed in casual attire, exhibit a range of hairstyles and accessories, reflecting diversity in personal expression. Message text box message.
Yes friends, there are a lot of description are yet to be read. I am not reading all that. And now I am swiping from left to right and the focus shifts onto the message text box. Again I am sending a command here.
Functions menu. 5 paste. 6 clipboard. Message text clipboard history. 3 what is the color of the back? New notification from system you were copied to clipboard. Message text. Showing recently copied of capital. What is the color of the background of this image? What is the color of the background of this image? What is the color of the background of this image? Text box. Editing. Report content. What is the color of the background of this image? Send. What is the color of the background of this image? Deleted.
Friends, I have sent the command. What is the color of the background of this image? Let's see what kind of response VJI generates for us. Till then, we have to wait for a few minutes.
Message text box. Editing. The background of the image appears to be a light beige or cream color with a dark blackboard at the back.
So, to the point answer it has generated for us. In this way, you just upload the image on the VJI and just listen the description. After the swipe left to right, get the message text box, send the command and VJI will generate accurate answer related to your image. Okay friends, again I am going back.
Back.
There are many options are available. Let's explore one by one.
Home. How may I help? Chat with PDF. Chat with AI. Ask image.
Ask image.
Tasks.
Tasks.
See all.
See all. I am clicking on see all. There are many options available. Let's explore.
Viz AI.
Viz AI first.
Search for task text box. Search for tasks.
Search for task text box. Search for task.
Learn.
Learn.
Explain a complex concept.
Explain a complex concept.
Create a comprehensive study guide.
Create a comprehensive study guide.
Generate a custom quiz.
Generate a custom quiz.
Summarize.
Summarize.
Extract key terms from text. Summarize an article.
Summarize an article.
Condense meeting minutes. Generate a research paper abstract.
Generate a research paper abstract. Friends, these functions have few bugs. Okay. If you support us more, then we will discuss about it in later parts of our next videos.
Rewrite.
Rewrite.
Paraphrase text.
Paraphrase text.
Adapt text to a specific style.
Adapt text to specific style.
Simplify complex text.
Simplify complex text.
Adjust the tone of a text.
Adjust the tone of a text.
Lifestyle and fun.
Lifestyle and fun.
Create a custom recipe.
Create a custom recipe.
Create a custom travel itinerary.
Create a custom travel itinerary.
Generate a joke.
Generate a joke.
Create hobby project guide.
Create hobby project guide.
Create a party planning guide. Write.
Write.
Compose an essay.
Compose an essay.
Generate a comprehensive report.
Generate a comprehensive report.
Create an engaging blog post.
Create an engaging blog post.
Craft a creative story.
Craft a creative story.
Write an informative article.
Write an informative article.
Content creator.
Content creator.
Create a video script.
Create a video script.
Generate social media content ideas. Generate a podcast episode outline. Create engaging social media post. Modify.
So we are finding a lot of options are available here.
Rephrase or summarize a piece of text. Correct inconsistent tenses. Correct a sentence. Improve creative writing. Switch between first, second. Professional development. Write a compelling LinkedIn profile. Create a professional resume. Write a compelling cover letter. Create a LinkedIn profile. Organize and plan. Create a structured to-do list. Create a SMART goals framework. Generate an event planning checklist. Generate a project timeline. Button.
So there are a lot of options are available.
Button. Button.
These are silent button.
Button. Viz AI.
So these were the options that we have talked about. So friends, stay well, stay healthy. We will meet on another video. Till then, goodbye.